Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new budget category product to show you guys. It's a budget Bluetooth speaker that can produce a max output of 3 watts. It's made by this company called Tag and the model of the speaker is Companion. Now I've got 4 of these speakers on my desk. That's because I'll be doing a giveaway in this video. The giveaway details will be at a later part, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So we've got 4 of these Tag Companion speakers in 4 different colors, and this is how the box packing looks like. You've got a picture of the speaker on the box. The company says it's got clear and powerful audio, comes in 4 colors: blue, green, orange and grey. It also supports FM, microSD cards and aux mode. That's nice. Let's see what else is written on the box. This Bluetooth speaker can produce a max output of 3 watts and the frequency response range is from 100 Hz to 18 kHz. The price on the box says it's 1150 rupees, but it's available for about 900 rupees online. So that was about the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Now I'll unbox only one of them and show you because the contents of all the boxes are same, just the colors of the speakers are different. Alright, let's open the box and check it out. At the top you've got a USB cable and here's the speaker. That's it, there is nothing else in the box. You just get this Bluetooth speaker and a USB cable for charging that speaker. I've also unboxed the other 3 speakers and this is how they look like in all the 4 different colors. The Tag Companion speakers look really attractive in these funky colors. The build quality looks nice and they're also not that heavy, feel quite light in the hand. The front part has a nice fabric finish and around the corners you've got the shiny silver lining. It also has a hook on one corner so you can even hang it onto something. The build quality is nice, the body is made of high quality plastic and this is how the backside looks like. You've got the Tag logo at the center and there's a round rubber foot pad around it. At the top you've got the media control buttons which include media play pause, volume down and volume up and power/mode buttons. The buttons quality is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. Now let me show you the different connectivity ports on it. You've got a microSD port for charging, a status LED indicator, a microSD card slot, a reset button and an aux port. So these are all the available ports on it. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. To power it on, all you need to do is press the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds and there you go, the speaker has turned on. Alright, let me pair it with my phone. There you go. Now let's play some music and check out how the audio sounds on it. The audio quality was good, the mids were crisp and clear, you can clearly understand the dialogues. Talking about the treble quality was average, that's because the frequency response range was only up to 18 kHz. And coming to the bass was okay, it was not super punchy, but again guys, you can't expect such tiny speakers to produce powerful bass. The total harmonic distortion was low up to 85% volume level, but beyond that you can feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also nice and satisfactory. On the overall, the audio quality was good for the price. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. Talking about the battery life was decent. On an average, I was getting around 3 to 4 hours of battery life and charging the speaker took about 2 hours. So that was my review on the Tag Companion budget Bluetooth speaker. It's a good Bluetooth speaker for the price. The build quality is nice, the audio quality is decent and it also supports FM. The only thing I felt was the price could have been a bit lower. It costs around 900 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. And before I end this video, I told you guys there was a giveaway, right? Yes, I'll be giving away one of these speakers to a lucky subscriber. All you need to do is follow me and the Tag company on our social media pages. All the links will be in the description box below. This event will run for about 2 weeks from today and the winner will be selected randomly from the comment section and announced on both my Twitter and YouTube channel. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.